Good evening, friends. Now, in this particular part, I am going to showcase to you the 125 versions of Python, along with the documentation being presented out. Now, here in this part, which is present on python.org, which is their own website, here you will see that they have given you the entire list. There are two, three parts that one needs to understand here, and that is the reason why I have prepared this particular video. One, you will see that Python documentation by version that they have given. Now, there are two things that you have to see out here. Versions are there, and number two, their documentations also. So, anytime if you are using any particular version, you need not worry. You can just click on that particular version and you will get the entire documentation also. So, when I was being trained for on Python, I would say that I was asked to, and in my test, they had randomly picked up the versions differently, and they were asking me, can you tell us what is the difference between 3.80, that is 8.0, to 2.61 or the earlier version, and how and why and what was the differences into all those things. And here you will see that yes, it's not only the different versions which have been released in the earlier years. However, you will see for the unreleased in development documentation, see in the development version. So this means that this is not the end of it. The future versions also, you can see the entire list which is not yet released, and the documentation may not be there for us. However, you can identify and you can find it out also side by side. So here you can see that yes, we have got Python 3.81 documentation released along with the date, year, and the month also. So here, if you are using it accordingly, you can go ahead and you can cite it and refer, manage it, especially in the MS Word also side by side. So here you can see that it's not just one, and if you count, they would be 125, and that is the amazing part of this particular programming language and the manner that we have to use them. The reason I'm telling you is that even if you go to the research analysis part also, and if you are using the earlier versions, you will see that some of the features are present and some of the features are not present also. So one is supposed to know them, these things also side by side. So that is the entire scene why I have to go ahead and showcase to you this thing also, so that we are able to understand as to how and in what manner they were taking care of it. So I think I'm going to end up here, and let me come up with the main part of the Python. My agenda would be to do little bit of programming and start off with the research area also side by side. That is the different analysis, how the tools, techniques have been presented and how we can use them in Python itself only. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.